Hello, and welcome to a P11D Organiser tutorial, a quick and easy way to become a P11D expert. We will be covering these topics in today's video. Please sit back, relax, and let us do the explaining.
In this video, we will help you with the process of importing car assets and allocating them to the employees. Although import templates are provided on our support site, the P11D Organiser will allow you to use your data sheets to import information.
I have a lot of car data to import into the system. How should I go about doing this?
Here's the first step. Select File and then Import Wizard, or use the toolbar Import button to go to the Import Wizard.
I see. So what should I do next?
Select the import routine to run. In this instance, open the Vehicles tab, select the company car routine and click Next.
You mentioned import files earlier. What file types can I use?
The two main file types the P11D Organiser will deal with are CSV and XLSX, although we would recommend you use XLSX files over CSV.
I'll keep that in mind. Is this where I can select my file?
You can select a file from the list in the window, or click Browse in the bottom left corner to navigate to where your file is located.
And what does this screen do?
This is where you select what tab you would like to import. The P11D Organiser allows importing from multiple tabs in the same spreadsheet, so you can keep all your P11D information in one file rather than separate files. If you are using the templates from our support site, the P11D Organiser should automatically match all the column names from the import sheet to fields in the system. Otherwise, you might have to manually match the columns the organiser hasn't identified.
Is this all the data I'm about to import?
Correct. This is where the system will validate all the records you're about to import into the database. It is important to note that the key field for the car asset import is the registration number of the vehicle. If any record fails validation, like a duplicate record for example, the system will inform you about it and ask what you want to do with that record.
Now that I have imported all of the car assets into the system, what should I do next?
Since giving cars to the employees in the system is a two-stage process, we will have to allocate the cars we just imported to our employees. To do that, we will go to the Benefits tab in the Import Wizard and select Section F, Main Company Car.
Is the process similar to the one we have completed?
It is. Just like before, we're going to select a tab we want to import from. That will take us to the Data Mapping screen. Since the information needed for this import routine is different, you might have to match up the columns with the data fields.
Once again, I can see all my data.
Finally, this screen shows all the benefits in the import. We have now successfully imported car assets and assigned them to the employees. Hopefully, this tutorial has helped you understand the process of car allocation in the P11D Organiser.
Thank you for watching. For more information, you can go to our support website, support.p11dorganiser.co.uk.